Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make Bombay Karachi Halwa. It is so simple and easy to make and required very less ingredient. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. So we're gonna need water and sugar, and that's for later for the syrup. And then we also need cornstarch or cornflour and water, just cold water, some ground cardamom, chopped almond. You can use chopped cashew nut, chopped pistachio, nuts of your choice. And also we're gonna need some ghee and also food color of your choice. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this water. We're gonna mix everything until combined. Leave this as is right now and let's go to the stove. We're gonna start making the syrup. I have a non-stick on medium-high heat. I'm gonna add sugar and water. Let the sugar dissolve. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can see the syrup is boiling and the sugar is dissolved. And now take a spoon and mix the cornstarch and the water once again, and then slowly add to your sugar mixture. Mix constantly, and now you can see the mixture started to thicken. And I keep switching by wooden spoon and hand whisk. Just use whatever you feel comfortable, and also you don't see any lumps. So just by using a spoon only, you can have some lumps. So by using a hand whisk, then you won't see any lumps. So let it get thicker more, and then we're gonna start adding the ghee. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ghee and let it melt. In total we need 6 tablespoons of ghee, but you have to add it 1 tablespoon at a time. When 1 tablespoon melts, and add the other one. Okay, I'm on my last tablespoon, and now it's been 15 more minutes, and now you can just take a wooden spoon and mix everything. And now you don't have to worry about lumps. There will be no lumps now because the halwa is cooking and it's already at the stage. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of food color. I'm gonna add just a little bit and see how much deep red this is. I'm using red food color. You can use green food color, yellow food color, orange food color. Cardamom powder, I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon, and I'm using only 1 cup of cornstarch. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. And I'm also gonna add some chopped almond. And now our halwa is ready. It's been another 20 minutes, and now it's thicker and thicker. And also you can see the texture. It's like a jam, like that, like a thick jam. Okay, so now turn the heat off. Okay guys, I have a tray here greased with butter, and it is heavy. Just pour all these halwa. I'm using some chopped pistachio, and I'm going to garnish this halwa with chopped pistachio. You can use any nuts. And now my halwa is ready, and now this is looking so gorgeous as is. This has to set for at least 1 to 3 hours before you slice them, and then it will be so chewy, soft, gummy, yummy texture of halwa. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.